We always say the best wedding hair, they tell them don't wash your hair for like 3 days. If you can go. It feels gross, but I'm telling you, it will hold. Now, if you're extra oily, you don't want to wait that long, but
it's like super oily.
Oh, I get real oily real fast. If you have finer hair and a lighter colored hair, it shows. Mine just does. But you want oil in your hair. You just don't want it, you know, scalp peeling off.
I used to get really oily, but now it's like...
It has a lot to do with shampoo, too. The more, like, harsh the shampoo, and it's not necessarily harsh on your hair, just it's got a lot of surfactant in it. Stuff that makes it bubble. Salt, basically. It overstrips the oil, so it sends out, like, your body thinks it needs to send out more oil. So a lot of times if you switch to, like, I say go, like, color safe, even if you don't have color, because there's no sulfates in it. So all the chelating is, like, not harsh on your hair. So you stop producing. I mean, I always either use a moisturizer, a volumizer, or a color safe. Because the volumizer, its surfactant's different. It's got protein in with it, so it helps kind of recoat the skin so you don't get as oily.